two-story home. So let's go look to 3D. Again, if it starts slowing down, I recommend you go to the top view and just do regen. Regen, what does it do? It's going to refresh everything. So now that we did that, let's go and add our roof. Let's go to roof slab and click on roof. Let's go add our dimensions that we need for our thing to work in the properties. So we're going to put our thickness as 1'4". We're going to leave it square. Slope height is good. Overhang is 2'3". 10 feet. Everything seems pretty good. I think it took the properties from the last roof we did on the first floor. And now we're just going to make a rectangle. Watch, we're going to go from one corner. Oh, put my snaps back on. From one corner, you're going to go to the next corner, to the next corner, to this corner over here. Click. If you're happy, just press enter. Now let's go look how crazy our roof looks. Let's go make a look in exceptional. There we go. We have a nice pointy roof. Let's go back to our top view, and we're going to modify it. Let's go click on it, and let's go do our beautiful edit edges. So we're going to go click on this edge first, right over here. This is where the two houses connect. And we're going to click edit edge. This one here. I clicked on it. There we go. I have to press enter twice. And now we're going to change our slope to 90. Press OK. There we go. Now it's getting straighter. Now let's go back. And we're going to grab this point here. And we're going to pull it till it's straight, like so. Click. And now it's back to straight on both sides. Let's go check how it looks. Let's go back how we had it before. There we go. This is starting to look much better now. Perfect. Now we're going to click on our roof, and we're going to convert it. It gets a pop-up like this we had before, and we want to erase the extra. If you don't click erase, you're going to have two roofs on a slab and a roof on top of each other. Press OK. There we go. And now we have our roof set up. So we could go back and hidden so you could see better, like so. The next thing we're going to do is what, guys? We're going to select one of the exterior walls. So hopefully this works for everybody. We're going to go do select similar, and we're going to go do roof line. We're going to do modify roof line. Like we've done before, we're going to click on the roof. We're going to do auto project. We're going to click on 1, click on 2, press enter, and our roof should be, we see it? Our walls are nicely aligned perfectly underneath. So there seems to be something wrong with my chimney. I think my chimney is a little too low. So if I go click on it, because it's not cutting through all the way. Let's go check. We're at 15'6". I think it's supposed to be 11. Give me 1 second. So this actually should be negative 11'1". There we go. I have a feeling something's wrong with that. So this is the actual. So we click on it if it's like I had it before, and it should be negative 11'1" going up, which makes a lot more sense because it's going through the actual roof. The next thing we're going to do, now that we just touched the chimney, is we're going to cut a hole for it. So we're going to get the interference going. So we're going to go click on our roof. We're going to go do our lovely add modifier, and we're going to go and choose the slab. The chimney. Like so. And press enter. And now from here, you're going to see we're going to go use the subtract option. We're going to go press OK. And like that, see the little cutout? It cut a hole for our lovely chimney as well. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fix our edges like we did in the previous one. We're going to go click on our lovely roof again. Oops. Roof. We're going to go to our edges, like here, and we're going to modify our edges like we did on the other one. Where it says none, we're going to go put our lovely one we built before, the fascia. We're going to press OK. And like that, we have it added. Maybe just rotate. Right over here. See? We're going to add the other one to the other side as well. We're going to go, click on it, edge. We're going to go click here and put the fascia as well. Press OK. And like that, we added the other one as well. Good. We can do the same thing for the sides here as well. Let's see if they work. Let's go to this point here. Click on this edge here. Let's go do edge. I could just do it all at once. Let's just go click here, put fascia, put this one fascia as well. Press OK. Good. It's on both sides. Then go to this side here as well. Click here, edges, and just add it one to this side and one to this side. Press OK. Now if I go make it look a little bit better, you see it added the edge all the way around our beautiful house. So I could keep rotating just to show you how it looks. See how it looks? It looks nice. We added the chimney cutouts. We added everything, so it looks like our second floor is complete. If I go make it look realistic, it might crash. Oh no, it didn't crash. Good. We have our roof. We have the chimney cutouts, and we have everything else set. So now, like we did always, go back to our top view, go back to 2D wireframe, hit save, and the next video we're going to build is going to be adding the garage to the other side. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share.